be describing the case statement in this cast. Let's have a look at this bit of code I've got here. I'm inputting please enter quiz result percent. And basically I'm asking for a quiz result from 1 to 10, and normally you'd think, okay, based on that result I want to print out a comment. So if result percent equals 1, print awful comment, awful score. Else if the result percent equals 2 or result percent equals 3, print out poor score, and so on and so forth, using lots and lots of ifs, then else ifs, which can get a bit messy. This kind of thing is what I mean. That kind of thing. If result percent equals 1, then print awful, must try harder. Else if result percent equals 2 or result percent equals 3, then print poor score, etc., etc. Although that works, it does get a bit messy, and the case statement is a much better way of dealing with this. Let's have a look how it works. Case result percent of, it should be, when 1, then I'm going to do this, print awful score. There's space in there, don't I? Awful score. Okay, when 2, 3, so that's when it's 2 or 3, print poor score. And so on and so forth. I've actually got one I did earlier, so there's the complete thing. You can see it goes all the way from 1 to 10. So when it's 1, I print awful score. When it's 2, 3 or 4, you can see these are separated by commas, needs improving, all the way down to 10, perfect score. You can see it's a very neat and efficient way of coding, rather than all those if, then, else if, then, else if, then, end if, end if, end if, instead of all of that, which is kind of messy code. This is a very neat and efficient way of doing it. A couple of things you need to note about it: don't forget the colon, this bit, after each value. You can have multiple values here separated by commas, and it'll do the same thing depending on that result. And quite a good thing here is this otherwise. It means that if it's none of these values above, that's what it will do. And don't forget the end case. Just like an end if, you need an end case, an end of case statement. Now let's just see this running. That just proves you it does work. Fingers crossed. Let's go in. Please enter quiz result. Let's have a 5, and it prints not bad, could do better. So it seems to work fine. Let's try again. Let's enter a 10, perfect score. Let's run it again, this time with a 1, awful score. Try again, and let's see the otherwise working. Let's enter 15, which is an invalid score because it should be 1 to 10. Oh. To a 15, invalid entry. So you can see it's all working nicely, and there it is. So a very if you use this in your code, especially in your controlled assessment, it's more efficient. You'll get more marks rather than using if, then, else if, then, end if, and all that stuff. Although that will work, using sort of nested ifs works fine, this is more efficient, and yeah, it's a much more elegant way of coding this kind of problem. Okay, thanks for listening.